Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, today I am going to discuss why my person or my partner or my DM is not understanding my love. Why my DMs or my partner's eyes are closed. This question must have come again and again into your mind, and you must be thinking why my partner is still has blocked me, or why I'm still chasing my partner, why is not he or she is not responding, why my person is still with the third party, why my person is not understanding my love for him. All these questions must be coming to your mind, or why my person is still cheating me. If all these questions are coming into your mind, then let me tell you friends that either you are not doing inner work at all, or if you are doing inner work, you are in a very initial stage of your inner work. So let me start. Why a partner is not taking action and why they are not communicating with you, even if they know that how much you love them and how much your love is true and how much you care for them. Even they know that how much your love is pure. All this thing is happening because the universe wants it to happen, because you yourself are blindfolded till now. So how come the blindfold of your person or DM will come out? Unless and until you yourself come in action mode, your DM will not come in action mode. As you already know that twin flames are one soul in two bodies, so you mirror each other completely. If you are not taking action, then your person is also not taking action. What do we mean by taking action? All these things I am going to discuss here right now. Because till now a partner DM has not realized your love at all, and they are in an illusion, complete illusion. They don't realize the love at present because they are completely unawakened soul. A completely unawakened soul. Definitely you feel so much love for them, even they have that love for you, but don't realize it at all, because universe don't want that to happen, because universe or God, they have planned everything for you. Universe wants you to first understand this relationship yourself. You first need to understand what this relationship is all about, who is my twin flame, for what this relationship is about, why I am chasing this person, is this journey true, twin flame journey is true. All these things you need to understand yourself first. Unless until your lack of knowledge, this blind lack of knowledge blindfold comes out from your eyes, your person's blindfold is not going to come out. So definitely you need to understand this journey completely. You need to work upon yourself, then your person will realize your love. You know the how much you are into. Every time you're asking this question only, why I am suffering so much, why so much pain I am getting, why God is doing this to me, why from childhood I am facing so much problems. All these questions are continuously comes into your mind because you still are unawakened. You're not awakened, you're in a process of awakening. When you do inner work, your awakening starts, and you start getting answers of all these questions yourself. And to get all these answers, you have to walk the path of spirituality. Since walking the path of spirituality only and by doing inner work, you will get all your answers. Because have you seen your DMs or partner behavior? Sometimes he or she is so angry. They and because of that, your partner's behavior, you are so angry at times. You have fear in yourself, anxiety in you, jealousy in you. All these factors are creating blockages in your union. The same factors, whatever you are having or your DM is having, you both have same factors, but you realize sometimes you don't realize it, and your partner don't realize at all. So because of that, the universe wants both of you to remove these blockages from yourself, to remove these layers from you, the negative layers in what has affected your soul, that to come out. Then only you can move towards the path of union. Your mindset, your belief system, everything has changed completely because of this 3D world, and that needs to be reprogrammed. you can say your subconscious mind needs to be reprogrammed, so that you can understand yourself what this twin flame journey is all about, and why I am so attached to that person. To walk, to to attain the union, you have to remove all these layers from your mind, from your belief system. All these layers need to be removed, and for this, the path of spirituality, you have to choose the path of spirituality. All this happening to you because the universe wants you to walk the path of spirituality and make a better version of yourself by doing inner work. As then and when you do inner work, the say your results will start seeing you in 3 to 4 months, and you will see the same changes and the same things happening to your partner also, because universe wants both of you, because he is also a twin flame, he or she is also a twin flame only na. If you are a twin flame, your person is also a twin flame na. So that's why the layer needs to be removed from both of you, and the inner work is only solution for that. Now, what is inner work? Inner work means you are working inside you, so that you can make a better version of yourself, so that you can see the change in the outside world. That's why it's called inner work, because everything is inside us. We have to see inside us, meditate inside us to see what is wrong with me, what is blockages are inside me, that needs to be healed first. That's the most important thing. That's why universe brings you in this path of twin flame, so that you become a better version of yourself, and all these negative layers of you and your partner are removed, and you both can come into union and do your soul purpose for which you are sent on this earth. Oh friends, I am making some sense. I don't know how many of you all will understand what I have said today, but this is true. Unless and until you change yourself, your person is not going to change. And to start bringing change in your person, you have to do inner work. All your answers which you are asking me, you will get yourself, because when we start doing inner work, we start getting downloads. All our answers are answered either directly or indirectly in dreams by the universe, because angels are always with us all the time and supporting us. So please guys, if you need answers of all these questions, then please do inner work. Okay, thanks friends for listening to me. Thanks a lot.